Hello and welcome to myTRIAList. Today we will provide an overview of the TeliMET NSCLC-04 clinical trial. This study aims to evaluate the safety and efficacy of the medicine telisotuzumab vedotin in adult patients with previously treated, locally advanced or metastatic non-squamous non-small cell lung cancer.
What is locally advanced or metastatic non-squamous non-small cell lung cancer?
Non-small cell lung cancer, or NSCLC, is the most common type of lung cancer and makes up about 85% of all lung cancer cases. NSCLC starts in the cells that line the surface of the lung airways. When these abnormal cells begin to reproduce too quickly, they form tumors. Squamous tumors start in squamous cells, which line the airway of the lungs. Non-squamous cells can start in other types of cells within the lung, such as those that produce mucus. Locally advanced NSCLC means the cancer has grown larger or has spread to the lymph nodes close to the lungs, but it has not spread to different parts of the body. Metastatic NSCLC means that the cancer has spread to distant parts of the lung or to other parts of the body, such as the brain or liver.
Can you tell me more about the medicine being studied?
Telisotuzumab vedotin, also known as Teliso-V, is a type of treatment known as an antibody-drug conjugate, or ADC. An ADC has three parts: an antibody that seeks out a specific target on cells, a chemotherapy drug, and a linker that connects the two. For Teliso-V, the antibody is designed to find a molecule on the cell surface called c-MET protein. Many cells have c-MET protein, but some tumors have much higher levels, which is called c-MET protein overexpression. When the antibody portion of Teliso-V attaches to c-MET on a cell, the whole medicine is pulled inside the cell. There, the linker is cut and the chemotherapy is released directly into the cell, causing it to die. Because the drug is delivered directly to cells with c-MET protein overexpression, ADCs like Teliso-V may help limit damage to healthy cells and reduce side effects. Teliso-V can still cause side effects due to its mechanism of action or how it works in the body.
My name is Dr. Jonathan Goldman. I work at UCLA, where I'm a medical oncologist focusing on clinical research for thoracic cancers, including lung cancer. We think that participation in a trial like this affords a really good opportunity for patients to get a new drug and helps us scientifically best understand our treatment for future patients.
What is the goal of this study?
The main goal of the study is to compare 3 different doses of the study drug Teliso-V. The study will look at the drug to see how well each dose works in reducing the size of tumors, how safe each dose is, what it does to the body, and what the body does to the drug.
Can you tell me how this study is set up?
This is a randomized study, meaning eligible participants will be assigned by chance to one of 3 groups. Participants will know which group they are in, and different groups will receive different amounts of Teliso-V. Participants in the first group will receive 1 dose every 2 weeks throughout the study. The second group will receive a different dose, while the third group will start with 1 dose and later switch to a different dose. All participants will receive Teliso-V through an IV infusion, which means it will be put into a vein in the participant's arm through a thin tube placed into a vein. The tube is attached to a bag containing the medication.
On this trial, of course, you'll get all the proper care. If you do have side effects at the dose that you start with, options include holding a dose or potentially lowering the dose. And all along, you'll be monitored for cancer control and other side effects.
Who can take part in this study?
To join, you must be 18 or older and meet some other health requirements. You must have been diagnosed with locally advanced or metastatic non-squamous NSCLC. You must also have CMET overexpressing NSCLC. If you are unsure, talk to your doctor about how you can find out. You must also have tried at least one other treatment for locally advanced or metastatic NSCLC that didn't stop the disease from worsening. We hope this video helped you learn more about the TeliMET NSCLC-04 study. Check out the TeliMET NSCLC-04 study page on myTRIAList, where you can find the study contact in case you have questions or want to find out if you qualify for the study. Visit the myTRIAList trial finder at myTRIAList.org to find the right study for you.